Founded in 2006, GAC R&D Center is GAC Group's R&D system hub. With a total R&D investment of about 45 billion yuan, GAC R&D Center is always in the forefront of the industry in the aspects of transition, technology innovation, mechanism innovation, and others. At present, GAC R&D Center has an international team of around 6,000 people. Supported by GAC American R&D Center, European R&D Center, Shanghai Advanced Design Office, and Xiamen Intelligent Connectivity Office, a Guangzhou headquartered global R&D network has been set up, with R&D efficiency leading among Chinese local brands. GAC R&D Center has built up R&D facilities which are first class in China and advanced in the world. We boast large proving grounds located in Guangdong, Xinjiang, and Inner Mongolia. Moreover, the world's first full-scale wind tunnel lab with aerodynamics, wind noise, and thermodynamics all in one, and China's first integrated vehicle testing center eligible for intelligent connectivity and new energy vehicle validation, homologation, and export approval are in place, making it the most full-fledged vehicle and component validation system in China. Adhering to the development philosophy of one generation in maintenance, one generation in development, one generation for backup, one generation in research, a series of products are offered with high quality and good reputation, making a historic breakthrough with a Chinese local brand exporting self-owned technologies to joint venture. In addition, GAC R&D Center focuses on the development of key areas, mastering a host of industry-leading core technologies. In styling design, an array of design creations is recognized by both market and voice of customers. In addition, GAC R&D Center keeps reinforcing advanced explorations. A benchmark for creative design of self-owned brands is built up. On energy and powertrain technology, GAC R&D Center focuses on PHEV development, supported by its derivatives as HEV and REEV, so as to explore diverse and flexible fuel applications. The first application of hydrogen engine on vehicle in China is realized here, making contributions to the vision of carbon neutrality and carbon peaking. In the regard of intelligent connectivity, the first full-stack self-developed intelligent connectivity system is set up in China, whose heart is the electrical-electronic EE architecture, fully cloud-integrated, with breakthroughs in applications as intelligent driving and smart cockpit to build an interconnected automotive industry ecosystem. Powered by the evolution of product development and technology innovation, GAC R&D Center witnesses a significant growth of patent applications, as well as the ratio of invention patents, with 19,000 patent applications filed accumulatively, among which over 40% are invention patents, developing a high-value patent system for core technologies. In the future, GAC R&D Center will drive toward decarbonization, intelligence, interconnectivity, sharing, and internationalization. We will strive to take our overall R&D capabilities forward toward top 3 among Chinese brands as part of GAC Group's moves towards high-quality development and trillion-yuan initiative.